Hello Python enthusiasts, welcome back to Python Pronto 2.0, Master Coding Fast. Today we are diving deep into the world of Python data structures. In the next few minutes, we'll unravel the mysteries of lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries, and by the end of the video, you will be manipulating these data structures like a pro. So let's get started. First up, lists. Lists in Python are used to store multiple items in a single variable. They are one of the most versatile data structures in Python and are incredibly easy to use. Let's look at an example. And that's the wrap-up of Python data structures. Remember, these structures is a significant step towards becoming a Python pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Happy coding!